It's loud out here now, Theo, okay? Here we go. This machine right here is specially made doing 2 cuts at once. So you can feed in each piece of wood, create the speaker cabinets, program exactly what you need cut, and this machine will cut both miters at the same time. After the parts are cut, our craftsman will start assembling the cabinets. This is what it will look like. For each speaker, they'll have a small custom tag that will go with it. This will tell what kind of grill cloth, what finish it might be. Speaker. See, there's also dates on there. Everything is made by hand every single day. Oh, look at this. Johnny's doing some fancy finish work right now. Nice, Johnny. Wow. One more coat, right?
One more. I have to go through and polish it after this.
That looks amazing. So this piece right here is made of solid American walnut. This will be a frame that goes completely around the TV to conceal the edges, so it looks like one single clean unit on the wall. Over here is the automotive paint booth. We do a lot of our finish work. Right now, Ben is in there finishing another edge media frame with a custom color, and that will also conceal the TV as well as the speaker. So right here, what we're working on, these are frames for what we call media decor. These are our concealed versions for television that go in the wall. We make this cabinet out of metal. We'll now take this into finish after we finish fabrication. And then we'll do rolling or scrolling art to conceal the television and the speaker. This will be built into the wall, and eventually it'll look like a piece of art on the wall.